top 5 most popular cars of all time. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome, and consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that little bell notification below. The automobile has swept the globe since its inception in 1885. Few innovations have had the same global influence as the vehicle. Hundreds of automobile manufacturers have evolved throughout the years, generating millions of vehicles for sale all over the world. But which automobiles have proven to be the most popular to date? Popularity means the state or condition of being liked, admired, or supported by many people. Since then, a slew of new automobile companies have emerged, offering a diverse range of vehicles to choose from. However, certain automobile brands are more well-known than others, and they leave a lasting impression on our society. The following ranking is top 5 most popular cars of all time. Number 5. LADA RIVA. If you didn't grow up in a communist nation, there's a good chance you've never heard of the LADA RIVA, or know anybody who's driven one. However, LADAs were by far the most popular automobiles in the Soviet Union. Sales were significantly less prevalent in the capitalist West, but they did happen. Even after communism and the Soviet Union fell apart, the vehicle remained popular in Russia and other post-Soviet countries. The car's production lasted until 2012. 19 million sales were done. Number 4. Volkswagen Beetle. The Volkswagen Beetle, also known as the Volkswagen Type 1's introduction, was focused mainly on Nazi propaganda in 1930s Germany. The Nazis also manufactured and deployed the Beetle in their drive to conquer Europe. After World War II, the vehicle managed to alter its image and become one of the world's most well-known, loved, and best-selling automobiles. Walt Disney devoted an entire film series to the car. However, Volkswagen chose to stop producing in 2003 because of declining sales. A total of 24 million cars were sold. The charming VW Bug has won the hearts of around 24 million people. Yet, given the various varieties within the series, some Bug fans may own more than one. Number 3. Volkswagen Golf. The Golf range from Volkswagen is the most popular compact family vehicle in history. The Golf is a tough little vehicle that keeps becoming faster. The Volkswagen Rabbit, which was evolved from the Beetle and became even more famous on streets across the world, was known as Volkswagen Rabbit in the United States. Despite the fact that the Golf's popularity has waned in recent years, it's still manufactured and marketed all over the world since 1974. The automobile is now in its 7th generation. In total, 31 million automobiles have been sold. Number 2. Ford F-Series. Ford's pickup truck range is the world's 2nd most popular vehicle. While the F-Series was mostly popular in the United States, it also fared well in Latin America and a number of African countries. The F-Series is now in its 13th generation. From 1948 till the present, it has been on the market for sale. 40 million automobiles have been sold so far. A full-size 2011 Ford F-Series sells for $22,790, but its 1948 forefather went for only $1,239. For 31 years, the Ford F-Series pickup truck led the list of best-selling trucks, and for another 23 years, it was the best-selling vehicle. The Ford F-Series may be America's best-selling pickup truck overall. Number 1. Toyota Corolla. Toyota's Corolla series is the best-selling vehicle in history. The first two, E10 and E20 generations, were already fairly popular, but the Corolla series has only grown in popularity globally since then. The Corolla is being manufactured today, and it's already in its 12th generation. More than 43 million automobiles have been sold as of today. It cost only $1,816 when it was first introduced in 1966. To give you an idea of how popular it is, a Corolla is purchased every 40 seconds somewhere on the planet. To accommodate global demand for this midsize car, they're produced in 16 different nations. This means that finding Corolla insurance is simple. So that's all for today's video. If you made it this far, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching!